Yo, good morning, guys. Last night I told you guys my target for my first upside target for today was pretty obvious. We we didn't take this previous day high here, and we knew this candle body closed above the body of this candle, so we expected to take out these two daily highs during overnight session. And that's exactly what you see what happened. Yesterday we had down here where we almost took we almost took this daily high, and ended up being that we got a 50% retracement, right? We got a 50% retracement from here to here, came down, rebalance, hit the hourly uh prop block here, and then we 50% off here, right back up. Kind of told us like it was just telling us a story that, okay, we're gonna leave relative equal highs up here. If you remember, we had the SMT with ES to where here where ES didn't take the previous day data highs, and NQ did, right. So we had this SMT, and then SMT caused us to get a 50% retracement back to here, and then obviously we came right back up and took out all-time highs overnight. So when you get a big reaction like this right off 50% of an hourly or daily level, very algorithmic, and it tells you price is most likely going to reverse right back up to the highs that it just put in. So watching NQ going into today, we are in this daily volume imbalance here. Um, I don't know if this is actually going to. I don't see price holding this. I'm going to be looking for price to get up into this daily order block. Now is the next target for me, up there to 18,820 level. See how we react at the wick. If we keep on pushing through with displacement, looking for 18,874, which brings us into the open of that daily order block candle. So 820, 874 are the two upside targets that I'm looking for today. Then you um, notice on these hourly levels here, we kind of wicked them, right? And then we came back and we closed back above. The fact we're closing back above makes me think we just continue higher here, and then we'll bring out the nice crayon. You see, it just looks like sell model, buy model, right back up to these highs. So that's kind of what I'm looking. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Looks very buy modely. We have nice LR all the way down here. So, and we know how LR works, right? We just got the domino effect. Take this high, puts all those stops that gets hit here, domino effect up to this high, and so on until the buy model is then complete, and we're back to all-time highs. But the only thing I see in the way right now is that daily order block above. So what I do want to see is, you see, we're kind of I'm curious to see if we close. Actually, let's check out the 4 hour quick. Nice 4 hour volume imbalance that we filled last night. Look how price came right down to that, filled that volume imbalance. So kind of like the same thing we're in the daily now. So that's why we have to be careful. This 4 hour is going to be important. We'll see if we close over this at 10. Yeah, look for 874. I think for today. Kind of like a 4 hour prop block here. These were the order blocks we have put in on the way down, but keep just watch this 4 hour, and we'll see. So for a potential Judas swing, we'll have to see if we get this hourly order block here. If we close above here, hourly order block is in, and then I don't know if we get a Judas. If we do, obviously we're looking at this hourly down here for a potential Judas. It's also a BPR, so the hourly starts at 755 or so. Then we have a tiny BPR down here at that 743 level. So maybe 10 o'clock gives us some kind of move down, move it. Notice I always every day I'm looking for some kind of thing that could be a Judas swing. So because we usually get one of some sort at some point. So See if there's any equal lows that are worth targeting for Judas as well. Nothing really nice, kind of a nice liquidity pool down here on the 15. Do remember if things started to get really, really bearish, which I don't see happening. We did leave a bunch of equal lows down there yesterday. Only potential equal lows I see here on the 5 minute are here. These are equal lows. So target if we do start to see some downside. Look, we're 18749 lines that has 5 minute equal lows. And I think that kind of lines up with that hourly BPR. So see the equal lows are here inside this hourly FVG. So kind of and it kind of lines up with that market structure zone too, right? The last down move before we went up and closed above the high, and then we look for a move back up. So with that, hope you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you guys in chat.